Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores on one account. So what you guys need to do, you just need to log in into one of your Shopify stores. And what you guys need to do, that's what I'm going to do guys in front of you. I'm going to log into one of my Shopify stores. Just click on login. And as you can see, now you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store. Now to add multiple Shopify stores, and you can switch, I'm going to be showing you in a few seconds how you can switch between these Shopify stores, so that you can, for example, if you are promoting one product on a specific store and you want to promote another product on another store, and you want to switch between them easily, it's very easy guys and quick. All you need to do guys, you just need to click on my store in the top right. And after that, after you click on my store, you will find here all stores. You just need to click on this all stores option here, click on that, and it will take you guys to this page. Here you will find all your stores, like the list of your stores. And currently I only have one store, as you can see here. But what if I want to have multiple stores, like 3 stores, 4 stores? It's very easy guys. All you need to do is just need to click on create store. Okay, now after you click guys on create store, just click on, for example, skip all. You need to skip all of this, just click on skip, and then you want to select the account. Okay, like I said, you can create multiple Shopify stores under one account, on one account. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Just wait for it. As you can see, it says here creating your store, building your store. Now as you can see here guys, this is a second Shopify store. Now how you can switch between these stores? First thing you need to do guys, you need to change like you need to add a name to each store. Okay, now I'm going to add a name to this. I'm just going to click on settings at the very bottom left, store name, and I'm going to click on this pin, and I'm going to change it to a new store. Okay, this is the store that we have created right now. Okay, now what you guys need to do after you add the name, now if you click in the top, okay, if you firstly you need to reload this page. Okay, just reload it. I click here, and if you click now in the top, you will find your new store, which is the name I named it. It says here my new store, and the second one is my store. This my store is the old one. Okay, the old one, I can always go to the old one. I can check the products on old one. As you can see on my old Shopify store, I have top products imported to that store. Now if I click on my new store, which is new store, as you can see here, if I click on products, there is no product. Now that's exactly guys how you can switch between them. You can you can leave the name my store. You can to just understand which store you want to click on, because if you don't change the name, they will all appear as my store. Okay, and you have to know which one you want to click on. Okay, I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Click the video on the screen to learn more about Shopify. See you.